everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to go through my box that just came in the mail. It is a rather big box from Ulta. I did open it. I need to get in here because I am just about out of spray, so there's two of them in here, so I desperately need to get into this box. Most of this stuff is stuff that you'll be seeing coming up in March. So I won't be swatching, I don't think, any of it. Although I don't remember what all is in the box. Other than I know that there's spray in there and a bunch of YouTube stuff for next month's videos. So if you want to see what is in this box, stay tuned because we're going to get right into it. Okay, the box is open, but it is not gone through. It is fully packed. I don't think I've ever gotten a box that is this packed from Ulta. Like I said just a minute ago, most of this is going to be stuff that's for YouTube videos for next month. So most of it's not going to be swatched, but you'll get to see a sneak peek as to what's to come. So that is kind of exciting. Things in here, I have an e.l.f. matte lip color in Tea Rose. You're going to see a lot of e.l.f. I'm going to do a full face first impression since I found a couple really good ones. So I figured I'm going to try some of everything. I also got the e.l.f. Pout Perfector Glow. This is just really pretty. I thought this would go really nice over top of the matte lip color or just even on its own. I did get the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Black Mascara. I got the e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer with Hyaluronic Acid. They're all out of the putty discs. I am still on the hunt for it. I have a few days before I'm filming this, so hopefully I can find it by then because I'm very, very curious. I also got the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this looks really light. I got Fair Beige, and this looks pure white. Whoops. We'll try it. We'll roll with it. If it's this color, I will be very happy. So we're going to try that. I also grabbed one of the No Budge retractable liner in black just to try out an eyeliner. And then I also did get this Ulta Smart Ring Heart because mine, I had one that I had gotten off of Amazon and it fell off. Like the sticky stopped adhering. So this is only $6. It's cute. So I grabbed it. They wrapped all of this stuff so nicely. I did grab the new primer infused face products. I got both blushes and the bronzer here. The bronzer color is Forever Sunkissed, and these two are Always Cheeky and Always Rosy. These look beautiful. I'm so excited to have these. Yay! And here is my hydrating coconut mist. I'm not even sure I have enough to get through one more makeup application. And my Pure's completely gone. And I got another Pure just because. So we have 2 sprays, so we should be good for a hot minute. This is some more e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder in Fair Light, so that we can set all of our makeup. And I did get the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in Light Ivory. This looks like it's going to be a really good shade. It's so hard to pick when you're picking shade colors online. I also got the e.l.f. Gel and Powder Eyebrow Kit in medium. I think it should be good. This should be fun after the Mally try-on. Oh, I forgot I ordered this. So this is the Superhero, the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I received a mini and I forgot how much I loved it, so I did get a big size. I got another number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum. I really been enjoying this serum at night. I'm finding that I like it better at night than I do during the day. It wears fine underneath makeup, but I feel like it makes more of a difference in my skin at night. So I got another one of those. Oh, and here comes the exciting stuff. This stuff I'm so excited about. This is a Becca and Chloe. This is the Becca, Chloe, and Malika BFF collection, and I want in here so bad. Oh, I'm so excited to have this. Oh, it's so pretty. It's very reflective, so it's gonna get fingerprints, but I don't care. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I did touch this in store. It's very pretty. See? It's pretty. I am a sucker for face palettes. I love face palettes. It's for me, this is an all-in-one go-to. I can use this all over my face. I can use it for eyeshadow, and I can't wait to open this and play with it. That was really hard not to touch that one. I've wanted this since it sneaked that it was going to be released. I want it so bad. Something else I've wanted for so long is this palette. This is the Lime Crime Venus XL2 palette. I am a sucker for greens. I'm a sucker for neutrals, and this palette is greens and neutrals. Again, this is so hard not to touch it and play with it, but you do get a really nice size mirror here, and here are the colors. Oh, I'm really excited to get into this. The greens, the neutrals. I know it's not a new release. It's been out for a month, I think, but I really wanted it. So this will be coming in March. Oh, I wish it was coming tomorrow because I want to play with this on my eyes. I haven't tried anything from the Lime Crime Shadow series. So if I like this one, I was debating about getting the XL1 as well because those colors are really pretty and I don't have a lot of those colors. So if I like that one, I'll probably get that one. We finally made it to the bottom. Oh, some more super exciting stuff. Yay! 3 more eyeshadow palettes. I think March is going to be the month for the eyeshadow palettes because I have more that I've hauled in my boxes behind me. I'm not sure if you guys know, but there's all kinds of coming up next video ideas and new makeup that I haul. That's all in my boxes behind me, so oh, I'm so excited. I haven't heard of this company, LA Splash Cosmetics. I don't know if it's an indie brand or if it's just something that's flew under the radar from me, but I did get the Golden Gatsby shadow palette. Oh, you guys. Yep. It does come with a mirror and it is gorgeous. Oh no, I want to touch you so bad. You guys, look how pretty. I think I'm really gonna like this. I'm so happy that I grabbed this. I'm kind of mad I didn't grab the whole collection. There was mascara and a face palette. I think it was just a highlight palette, some eyelashes, and maybe a lip gloss. I might have to order the rest of this stuff because it's so pretty. And the last 2 things I got are the 2 newer, I guess. I mean, I don't think they're new, but newer. The 2 newer Lorac Unzipped palettes. I got Elegance and Unfiltered. I think there's another one Ulta carries and then a 4th one on their website, but they didn't kind of scream, oh my god, buy me, but these ones did. The first one here is Unfiltered. Really nice packaging. And here are the shades. Oh, these are so up my alley. They're very neutral. I'm a very neutral girl, but I love that it's just got a little bit of a warmer rosy color in there, and this is, I mean, I probably have this color a few times, but this looks like a really nice color. This one I'm super intrigued about. It looks like it's got quite the glitter to it, and I love the size. That's mainly why I got it. It's this, I could throw this in my bag, I can take it with me, I can touch up or deepen up a look on the go, or even if I, you know, if I'm going somewhere, not that I go places, but you know, if I go on a trip or something, this is perfect size, everyday look. I know I can get multiple looks out of this small palette, so I really like small palettes. It's my thing. And then the other one is Lorac Unzipped Elegance. I'm so super excited. I probably should have grabbed all of them too. I probably will. Same packaging. It's got a really, like, it's cardboard, but it's very soft, so I think it's going to stay really clean, which is nice. Yes, I remember. This one had the purple. Oh, this one looks just lovely. I am so happy. This one's definitely got a cooler taupey color for the crease. A matte shade that's pretty close to my skin tone. I do occasionally go in the inner corner. Usually, I highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with matte colors. And very close to this, I'm sure. But lately, I've been doing the highlighter in the inner corner of my eye. Oh, I am so excited for this one. Yeah, I mean, and even still, just to have these two palettes tucked into my suitcase or anything, it's not going to take up a lot of room, and you really could get some absolutely amazing looks with the two palettes. That right there is pretty much Kelly's dream palette. A little bit of pink, it's a little bit of girly, some cool matte shades, and it's just, I'm so excited for these two. That's all I got in this Ulta haul box. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. I'm sorry I didn't swatch anything. I know it's kind of lame, but I do want first impression videos to be truly first impression and no fingers touches, surprises, especially because the e.l.f., the whole brand is new to me other than the spray. I've used very, very few things from e.l.f., so the whole makeup brand is new for me and I want to be surprised. Same thing with the LA Splash. I've never had anything from them, so I want that to be a surprise. And the Lime Crime, I've never owned their shadows, so... And my store is a small store, so they don't carry this in store, so I can't even go in and swatch it, so super bummer on that one. But, and then, I've already touched this one in store, I know, but I love face palettes. I think that might be one thing next to eyeshadow palettes that I am a sucker for. If it's a good face palette, there's a good chance I'm gonna buy it. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, help my channel out. Don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every Monday, Thursday, and Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!